Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to study about the methods. Method is a piece of code which is used to perform tasks which is related to class or object. Method should be within inside class. Method is similar to function in C and C++. Method can be reused by creating multiple objects. Let's go through the general form of the method. Here is the general form of the method. Type is the return type of method. Method name is the name of method. Parameter used to pass an argument. And body is the code which is used to perform the task. Generally, there are three types of methods. Method without parameters, method with parameter, and method which returns the value. Now let's go through the example of method. Here we have the class test. In this class we have three methods. Method 1 which has no parameter and no return type. Method 2 which has parameter and return type is void. It means there is and return type is void. It means there is no return type. Here in the third method, in the third parameter, integer value is passed as argument and return type is integer. Here the result is integer variable which captures the result of addition of I and 10 and returns the value of result. Then in our main class, T1 object is created. Then using this object, method 1, method 2 and method 3 is called. Here in the method 3, actually the method 3 is returning the value, so we should catch that value in our integer variable. In this example, integer variable r is capturing the third method value, and finally the output is returned as the statement, and finally the system will write the variable r. Now let's check the output. Now let's run our program. So this is the statement which comes from the method 1, second statement which comes from the method 2, and the third is the returned value which comes from the method 3.